egg ah. Eat egg ah. Oh, eat egg ah. Daddy oh. Look oh. Throw eat egg oh. Eh. Tingin erop. Tingin erop. Tingin erop. Another egg. Another egg. Yay. Getting strong. Lumalakas na.
Strong daw.
Oh, strong.
Apple.
Lumalakas na.
Sip-sip lang yung apple.
Egg pa.
Apple, banana.
Apple, banana, egg, grapes, what else? Egg ulit. There's an egg, some apple, and the banana,
And the bread.
the apple juice, and the bread.
Pineapple juice.
Getting strong. Paano yung strong? Naging strong na to. Lumalakas na. Ayun na. Ay, talo na si Hepe. Talo na si Hepe. Another egg. Papa, oh, look, oh. Oh. Daddy, oh. Look, oh. 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 Kaya nyo yun. Kaya nyo yun. Nagiging strong na to. You eat healthy food, ha? Another egg. Daddy, look at Daddy, oh. Daddy, oh. Oh. Wow.
Always eat fruits.
Sarap naman. Sarap buhay, ah. Sarap buhay, ah. Sarap buhay, ah. Apple.
Galing ka na?
Hindi pa. Alas 10 daw pag Sabado, sabi natin eh. Pagbukas ang alas 10. Kasi niya tatawag.